You notice here we have a, which is the base, and m is the exponent, times, that dot means times now. The base is the same as the first one, and we have a to the n, the power of n. And that equals to that same base, and we have m plus n. That's the product rule for exponents. So for example, if I have -2 cubed times -2 to the fourth power, and that's going to equal to, keeping that base, so I have -2, and I have my m, that's going to be 3 plus 4. So when I do that, I'm like, well, wait a minute, that's going to be equal to -2 to the 7th, because I added that. And then I have 64 times -2, and that's going to give me a product of -128. Let's take a look at the quotient rule. It's very similar. This base divided by this base, and I have an exponent here that's different than this one here, and it equals that same base, but I subtract the exponents. If I did 3 to the 7th over 3 squared, this is the same, that is equal to 3 to the 7th divided by 3 squared. And we know, since the bases are the same, I'm going to write down the base here as 3, and I have 7 here first and then 2 second, so it's going to be 7 minus 2, and that is equal to 3 to the 5th. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Bring down this 3 here again. There's times 3 is equal to 27. 27 times 3. We can do this two parts. 20 times 3 is 60. That's equal to 60. Plus 3 times 7 is 21. That's equal to 81. Okay, so I have 81 times 3 again. And that's going to equal to, again, I can say 3 times 8 are 80. So 80 times 3 is equal to 240. And then I have 1 times 3. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. So that's going to equal to 243. Boom, we're done.